So guys, this is the TMEL. This TMEL has been taken from HSERMST 05, and for the consequences you see, notable, minor, moderate, major, catastrophe, and dangerous. This is with respect to the people, with respect to the asset, with respect to the environment, and the TMEL on the last column is given in terms of point, in terms of fraction, which is 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. So this exercise has been already done in the hedgehog. So that means whatever the risk has been identified, the probability has been identified in the hedgehog, we will straightway take those points and we will not challenge until unless you feel that hedgehog team has not taken the correct severity. I will give, this liberty, this wisdom to you guys, and you can tell me whether in the hedgehog we have not taken the correct severity, we will correct it. So this table probably you are not able to read it, but this is the initiating event likelihood or frequency. What is this frequency? This frequency means, the causes of failure and the probability of failure. So we have calibrated our table, our software with this initiating event likelihood. If you feel that some initiating event likelihood is not correct, so we as a team, who is a team? You, me, and everybody in the team have power, have authority to correct the IEL, initiating event likelihood. If you don't agree with this one, but I can tell you this initiating event likelihood has been taken for HSERMST 05 as well as TOR. Now going for the next, as we mentioned that we will take the credit for all the IPLs. And what is the definition of IPL? I will take in the next slide so that you understand what is the IPL. And this is the probability of failure on demand. So that means we will select the right IPL and we will put the PFD of the right IPL in the calculation. Just to assure you, we have calibrated our software with this metrics in our software. As you mentioned that yes, every accident is not going to create fatality. Every accident is not going to create environmental damage. So we have to take the appropriate conditional modifier. The conditional modifiers are normally taken for people only. It is not taken for reputation. It is not taken for asset. It is taken majorly and greatly for people and sometimes for environment. I will take your opinion when we go for the conditional modifier. So there are 4 kinds of conditional modifier. First is the probability of ignition. If there is some causes which can create injury to people due to ignition, due to fire and explosion, we will take appropriate credit of the IPL of this conditional modifier. Normally in our industry, we will take 10 power minus 1 into 5, means 5 into 10 power minus 1, 0.5. This is operational condition. So some of the time during commissioning, during pre-commissioning, we have the higher risk. During operation, we have got continuous risk. So we have to take a credit of the operation condition appropriately. If the operation conditions occurs less than 10%, this is 10 power minus 1. If operation condition occurs less than 1%, this is 10 power minus 2. If operation condition occurs more than 10%, this is always 1. That means if the continuous operation is there, we will take 1. If during commissioning, we will take either 10 power minus 1 or we will take 10 power minus 2. This is third conditional modifier, probability of harm. That means if there is some incident, if there is some LOPC, if I am saying that there is a probability of fire and explosion and person will die, I will take the credit of this conditional modifier, whether this is a protected area or unprotected area. So protected area means this is a shelter in place ship. Unprotected area means I am always there in the field. Say for example, if I am there in the commissioning and if there is LOPC, I will definitely have the fatality effect. But if you guys are in the control room or if your guys are sitting in the conference room, probability of failure in your case will be 10 power minus 1 if you are nearby the incident scenario.